Hey guys, how's it going? Today on my channel, Tech in My Life, I have a quick unboxing for you guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at my new studio monitors. They're by Jamo, and we're going to get into it right after this. Okay, so what we have here today is the Jamo Studio 8 Series S 801 PM. Now, aside from that crappy name, they're supposed to be a fairly decent set of speakers. Now, what we're looking at here is a pair of studio monitors. They come with a set of 4-inch drivers and a set of 1-inch silk dome tweeters. It's powered, so it has a built-in power amplifier. That power is supposed to be 25 watts per channel and 50 watts peak. So we're gonna get this box open so we can take a better look at exactly what this Jamo, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Jamo Studio 8 Series S 801 PM, and I'm assuming the PM just means power. But yeah, let's take a look. I am literally just taking this off of my porch. So the UPS driver just dropped this off, and I brought it right down to the studio here to get it open and unboxed for you guys. Now, I'm pretty excited about these speakers because I'm going to be putting them on my workstation, my desktop. So when I'm done, I'm going to try to do a desktop tour video. If that's something you guys are interested in seeing, let me know in the comments section and I will be more than happy to oblige. All right, so not double box, but I think because it's a fairly small, light box, not really necessary, but it does look well packaged. There we go, some packing foam. I'm just going to turn this upside down and slide the box off. Take that off. All right. Now, right off the bat, they do have a nice little weight to it, but not super heavy. So we got a little box here, and I'm sure this is probably the power supply and whatever other attachments I'll need. Let's get this out of the way. So in this little box, we have power supply, USB, remote control, a set of batteries for the remote control, speaker wire, and the plug for the power supply. Back. So this is Ewan Henry with Tech in My Life. If you guys haven't tuned in before, what I do on my channel is just review things that I pick up, tech in my day-to-day life, things that I use, some things I've had for years. For example, this Garmin watch, I've had it for well over 3 years and it's going strong, and I'm going to be doing a review on that soon, how it's held up over the years. But that's basically the gist of my channel, tech in my life, tech that I use on a day-to-day basis, and tech that has survived or withstand the test of time for me. You know, as we know, some tech we buy and the turnaround or the lifespan is relatively short. Well, I try to push that lifespan as much as possible. That being said, we're going to get into these speakers, and hopefully I'm going to push the lifespan on these speakers here to a year or two from now. I can do a follow-up review on how well they've stood the test of time. Looking at the speakers, we see we have the powered speaker and the non-powered speaker. First thing on the top of both speakers is the air port Just below that, we have a volume knob. Just below the volume knob, we have the on-off power selector. Just next to the power selector is the power input. Then we have some RCA terminals, USB port, an optical input port, and a subwoofer port. And then we have the speaker terminals on both speakers. Now, if I turn around the powered speaker on the front of the speaker, we have a 4-inch driver, a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, and we have a LED indicator here. When that light is blue, it's set up for Bluetooth, and when it is white, that's when it's plugged in and you can use it for USB. Now, you'll do that from using the remote. On the remote, you have optical out, USB, and auxiliary input. You can also select your Bluetooth right here and sub volume. You can also shuffle backwards and forwards and play pause on the remote. I really think it's a lovely design, and for what I'm going for with my desktop setup, it's going to really be a good match, because my desktop has this graphite mixed with the natural wood look. It's that organic look and that modern straight line look. That's a mixture that comes together quite beautifully with these speakers. So I'm not sure how they're going to sound. And in all honesty, for me, I am not a big sound guy. I can listen to some music while just sitting down, but my ears are not as finely tuned to sound as some other people. I'm not that critical about it. I wish I was, because I think it would help with some of the fine tuning of the audio for my videos, but I'm just not there. That being said, when I am sitting down, just relaxing, these I'm sure would be great to turn on and just chill out to some nice music too. That being said, thanks again for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so when I put out other videos like this, you guys will be notified. Make sure you hit that notification bell while you're at it. And keep hitting that subscribe button, guys. My subscription is growing. I just broke 1,000, which is a big deal for me. So all of you that subscribed already, I really, really appreciate that. So again, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing more unboxing. And like I said earlier, if you guys want to see that tour of my workstation, let me know. And I'm going to get that out to you guys. All right. Appreciate all you guys watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.